So at this point, you probably already have some ideas on what to do next. Let me just show you a couple of things here to just get the ideas rolling. So let's press stop to go back into edit mode. And let's introduce walls so that we make it a little bit more difficult to actually go through this thing. So we're going to do first we're going to do a part right here in the center, of course. And we're going to go into the color palette and make it like a red color. I think this is good. And for material, we can go and just take away this. And all the way up, brick is something we want. So if we do brick, there we go. So now that we have that, we can take scale tool, right? And we can just kind of scale it up like this and then scale it up this way. So now we have a wall like this, and we also have to remember to anchor it up here. So let's give that a click, and we'll just move it a little close. Oops, not that way. We'll move it this way. So you get it right in your face. Maybe we make it even larger like this, so you have to really go around, right? And let's try to play it now. One thing I'll show you here is that if we start the game, right? If we play the game and we test it, we always start at the spawn location. But if we stop it, and if we want to test our game, like we're going to be doing a lot of testing, I don't want to have to do the beginning part of the game every single time. It takes a long time, right? So if we go up top left here, and for test, we choose test here instead. Now if we press play, it'll start us off at, oops, we didn't quite land on the platform there. But if we go back a little bit, like here, we'll land hopefully on the platform here. There we go. And so it'll just start you where you are. So this way you can go anywhere in your game and just play that part, not having to run through the whole game every single time. So let's jump up here. And there we go. We can go around the wall, see? Nice. So let's actually put a couple more walls here. So let's go back a little bit. And go E. Oops. Go back like that. And we'll just take this and we do a move. And then we do a Control D. And then we'll move it around like this. And then maybe we'll go this way. And then we'll do again, Control D. And then we'll make it here. And then we'll do this one, Control D. And then we'll go make it like, oops, not like that. Forwards. There we go. So now we're starting to get a little kind of map going here. Pretty easy one, of course, but still, nonetheless, it is working. And now it's starting to look like a proper game here, where now we can go back up here and just do a regular test and just run through the whole thing. So let's see here. There you go. See, let's go around here, and there we go. We got another one there. We can go like that, and then we go there, and then we go like this. There we go. So take a moment now, take a little pause, maybe, just take a little break also, because you've been working really hard now. But try to start building out your obby like I've done, and start adding things like, walls and platforms and whatever else that you feel like you want to add to your obby. And then you can come back and you can watch the next video where I'll show you some more things. So very well done so far. We already have quite a few things that we know now how to do. So yeah, awesome job. I'll see you in the next one.